Y'all, this sounds part 3. Or should I say it like this since y'all ain't understand me? Hey guys, this is sound part 3. Alright, I'm finna go first. Hey, talk about. Now just I got y'all. Oh shit!
Mojo,